I'm making old-fashioned date nut loaf. My mother used to make this and I loved it. She also made fruit cakes, which I've never cared for fruit cake. So let's get started on Darlene's table.
All right, we're going to start with brown sugar, 2 cups of dates, baking soda and salt, 1/4 a cup or 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of strong brewed hot coffee. All right, I'm going to let this sit for 15 minutes. It'll soften the dates, melt the butter, then vanilla. All right, and 1 egg, and then vodka. You could use vodka or brandy or rum. It's just a flavor enhancer. It disperses the flavor molecules throughout the bread. Now the dry ingredients, which will be baking powder and the flour. We're going to blend this well, but just until the flour, till we can't see the flour actually. All right, I'm adding a cup of pecans. You can use pecans or walnuts. Into a lightly greased loaf pan. We're going to give it a little tap to get the air bubbles out. And into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. You'll have to test it. After 30 minutes, I'm going to tint a sheet of foil over the top to prevent it from browning more. All right, we're going to test this. Well, it's ready to go. I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes and then we'll turn it out of the pan and let it completely cool before slicing. 10 minutes, the date nut bread flip. This is such a nice bread to make, and it's so easy. You have to give it a try. Spread some soft butter on this, or some soft cream cheese with a cup of coffee for a morning snack, breakfast, or an afternoon snack. It's good anytime. Very moist. Even though I brewed strong coffee for this recipe, it was barely noticeable. Some recipes even call for espresso, which I'm sure you'll notice, but should you have a problem with caffeine, you could substitute water and lemon juice. This will add the needed acidity required for this bread. I love a good date nut bread, and this recipe hits on every level. It's moist and full of flavor. The liquor is optional, but it's not. We used a dark rum, which I highly recommend, and while very subtle, it added another dimension, and that's what you look for in a good recipe. So if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Click on the like button and hit the bell so you will be notified when we post another video. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.